Coolpad Cool 6 with MediaTek Helio P70 SoC, pop-up selfie camera launched, price, specifications. Coolpad Cool 6 smartphone has been launched in India as a follow-up to Coolpad Cool 5 released in October last year. Coolpad Cool 6 boasts of some of the best advanced smartphone features for high-end mobile gaming. The budget-friendly smartphone comes with a triple rear camera setup and a pop-up module for the selfie camera. Coolpad Cool 6 is offered in 2 storage configurations as well as 2 color options. It is powered by an octa-core processor and has a sleek design. Coolpad Cool 6 price, availability. Coolpad Cool 6 is priced at 10,999 rupees in India for the 4GB plus 64GB storage model, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage configuration is priced at 12,999 rupees. The phone is offered in blue and silver color options. It is currently up for sale via Amazon in the country. Coolpad Cool 6 specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Coolpad Cool 6 runs on Android 10. It features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display. It doesn't feature any notch or hole punch cutout, giving the phone a 93% screen-to-body ratio. Coolpad Cool 6 is powered by the octa-core MediaTek Helio P70 SoC, paired with up to 6GB of RAM. For photos and videos, Coolpad Cool 6 comes with a triple rear camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel primary sensor and 2 2-megapixel sensors aligned vertically with the flash at the bottom of the camera module. For selfies, you get a 21-megapixel snapper with an f/2.0 lens and a pop-up design that is hidden away until you need it. Coolpad Cool 6 comes with up to 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable, up to 256GB, via microSD card through a dedicated slot. Connectivity options on the phone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB OTG support, and a USB Type-C port for charging. It is backed by a 4,000 mAh battery with AI Smart Power Management. There is a fingerprint scanner on the back as well. Coolpad Cool 6 measures 157 by 76 by 8 and weighs 120 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.